Welcome student in science class. Today we will start first chapter of science. So first chapter is nutrition in plants. So first of all we have to know what is nutrition. What does mean by nutrition? And how can we elaborate this? So we all know all the living beings need food to survive, need energy to survive. That means to do any task or perform any function, we have to need some energy. And where from we get the energy? We get the energy from the food. So what is the nutrition? Now it's very clear that we will get the energy from the food, and to perform any task, to perform any work and do any work, we need energy. That's the complete. We need energy and we get the energy from the food. So what does it mean nutrition? यदि हमें एनर्जी किसी काम को करने के लिए एनर्जी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और वो एनर्जी हमें फूड से मिल रहा है, तो दैट्स इट, दैट अ कंप्लीट प्रोसेस. हम फूड लेते हैं और उससे हमें एनर्जी मिलती है. तो अब ये न्यूट्रिशंस क्या होता है प्लांट के टर्म्स में हम देखेंगे. न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स है आपका चैप्टर. बट न्यूट्रिशन ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जो सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर होता है. तो हम उसको प्लांट्स के टर्म में लेके आएंगे. अभी समझ लेते हैं कि न्यूट्रिशन सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर सेम ही होता है. So what is the nutrition? We get the food in the various form, in the various components. Like we take carbohydrate, protein, fat, etc. You can say. There are so many kind of food we are taking on the daily basis. Collectively, we say nutrients. These are the nutrients. Clear? So, whatever we are taking in the food, that is the nutrients. What is the nutrition? Nutrition is the process, you can say nutrition is the process to extract or absorb the nutrients from the food is known as the nutrition. My dear student, just look into your textbooks. It is just some very clear definition. The process of utilizing the food to obtain energy for growth and development is called nutrition. Clear? So nutrition is clear. Nutrition is the process in which we are extracting the energy from the food. That is known as the nutrition. So all the living organisms need nutrition and nutrients. All the living organisms need food. So obviously, if they are taking a food, so they are taking nutrients and they have to complete the process of nutrition that extract the energy from them. So in the plant is also a living organism. So plant also complete the same process and the other animal also complete the same process. So in this chapter we have to discuss about the plants. Clear? So now we will discuss about the mode of nutrition in a plant. Mode of nutrition in plants. So what is the mode of nutrition in the plants? The basic concept of mode is the actually where from we getting the nutrients. That means, so the some living organism like plant make their food by self, means make their food their own, and some are the living organism depend on the other organism. So if we classify the whole living organism, so there is the two types of the organism, the plant and animal. So the plants are make their food by own, make food, and they are depend on plants. Any animal does not make their food, they depend on the plants. So if we talk about the living human being also depend on the animal and plants. हम ह्यूमन बींग्स भी क्या करते हैं अपने फूड के लिए, या तो हम प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड हैं या तो एनिमल पे डिपेंड्स हैं. कैसे डिपेंड है हम आगे देखेंगे. सो इन द टर्म ऑफ द प्लांट्स देयर इज द टू टाइप्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज द autotrophic nutrition, and second one is the heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic nutrition. So what is the autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition those organisms which make their food, that is known as the autotrophic nutrition. Just look in your book, the mode of nutrition in which an organism make its food itself from simple inorganic substances called the autotrophic nutrition. Green plants make their food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of the chlorophyll and the sunlight. So the mode of nutrition in a green plant is the autotrophic. Green plants produce food for themselves as well as for the animal and human beings. The organisms which make their own food from the simple substances present in the environment called the autotrophs. Autotrophs are the producer of food, so they are called the producer also. So I just told you that those plants who make their food by self, their own, it's known as the autotrophic nutrition, and they make their food by the help of the simple inorganic substances which is present in the environment. Like plants make their food in the presence of the chlorophyll and sunlight, air, and the other nutrients absorbed by from the soils. In that process is called photosynthesis. In the previous class, we have already studied about the photosynthesis. So in the further topics, if we will get in this chapter, we will discuss about the photosynthesis, but now we just need to know, in the presence of the chlorophyll, sunlight, air and water, plants make their own food, and that process is known as the photosynthesis. Clear? That means in the autotrophs nutrition, in the autotrophic nutritions, plants make their own food. Clear? So that type of plants is known as the autotrophic nutrition plant or autotrophic plants. The next one is the heterotrophic. Obviously, those plants who don't make their own food and depend on the another, it's known as the heterotroph. Clear? So it's a very clear. The autotrophs, nutrition, those living organism you can say. We are not only talk about the plants. We can cover all the living organisms. Those organisms which make their own food, it's known as the autotrophic nutrition, and those who are dependent on the other organisms, it's known as the heterotrophic. So animal in a human being is also a heterotrophic type. Animal and human beings also it's heterotrophic. Clear? So and some plants also, so heterotrophic, that is the parasitic plants who depend on the another plants. आप देखते होंगे, आप बागीचे वगैरह में कभी देखेंगे कि एक पौधे के ऊपर एक पौधा उगा होता है, दैट आर द ऑल्सो हेटरोट्रॉफिक, वो दूसरे के ऊपर अपने होस्ट प्लांट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग्स ऑफ द न्यूट्रिशन. ऑटोट्रॉफिक, those once again just make it clear, those organisms which make their own food is known as autotroph, and those organisms who depend on the another organism is known as the heterotroph. So my dear student, that's it for the day. In the next class we will start the photosynthesis food. One more thing is there, autotroph also known as the producer. It's also known as the producer and it's also known as the consumer. Heterotroph also known as the consumer and the autotroph is also known as the producer. मतलब ये इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं उत्पादक और इसको उपभोक्ता. मीन्स ये प्रोड्यूस करते हैं किसको, फूड को, और ये उसको कंज्यूम करते हैं. इनके द्वारा बनाए गए फूड को ये क्या करते हैं, हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन, ये कंज्यूमर्स होते हैं, कंज्यूम करते हैं. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास we will start the photosynthesis in the plant, how the photosynthesis happen in the plants and how plants make their food. So thank you students.